Welcome to this training on mastering lecture planning for international teaching assistants. Today, we'll explore how to structure your lecture to ensure clarity and engagement. Effective preparation is key to delivering a successful lecture. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with practical techniques to enhance your teaching. Let's get started on this journey to improve your lecture skills. Preparation is the cornerstone of delivering a successful lecture. A structured plan with a focus on information flow is crucial for presenting complex material clearly. This approach not only helps in organizing your thoughts, but also keeps the students engaged throughout. As an international teaching assistant, mastering this skill will significantly enhance your teaching effectiveness. Let's delve into the step-by-step guide for planning a lecture. The first step in planning a lecture is to define your goals. What should students learn or understand by the end of your lecture? For instance, if you're teaching photosynthesis, your aim might be to explain the process and its importance to plant life. Clear goals guide your content and ensure that your lecture remains focused. This clarity is essential for both you and your students.
Creating a roadmap is crucial for guiding students through the lecture. A roadmap outlines the key sections you'll cover, helping students focus on the main points. For example, you might say, "Today, we'll cover the basics of photosynthesis, how it works in plants, and its impact on the environment." Sharing this roadmap at the beginning sets clear expectations. It also helps maintain the flow of information throughout the lecture.
Organizing content logically is vital for effective teaching. Use patterns like chronological order, cause and effect, or general to specific to structure your lecture. For a history lecture, organizing events chronologically can show the progression of historical events. Choose an organization method that best supports your lecture goals and topic. This structured approach aids in the clarity and retention of information. Audience guidance techniques are essential for maintaining student engagement. Use signposting and visual cues to keep students oriented. Phrases like "the main takeaway here is," or "let's move on to the next step" help students follow the lecture's flow. Plan for visual aids, such as slides or diagrams, to clarify and reinforce key ideas. These techniques ensure that your students remain engaged and understand the material.
Summarizing sections and checking in with students reinforces understanding. After completing a section, recap the main points, such as, "To recap, we've covered the stages of photosynthesis." Periodic reviews help ensure students retain information before moving on. These summaries are crucial for reinforcing learning and maintaining engagement. Plan these moments carefully to enhance the learning experience. Let's walk through an example of applying these planning steps to a 5-minute lecture. Start by defining your goals and creating a roadmap. Organize your content using logical information flow techniques. Incorporate audience guidance through signposting and visual aids. Finally, plan for summaries and check-ins to ensure clarity and engagement. Practicing these strategies regularly will boost your confidence in presenting complex information.
Well-planned lectures are key to student engagement and retention of complex information. Use these techniques as a framework for all your lectures. By mastering these planning steps, you create an effective learning environment. Students will feel supported and engaged, enhancing their learning experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey to improve your lecture planning skills. Thank you for watching this training session on lecture planning. We hope you found these techniques helpful for your teaching journey. Remember, effective planning leads to successful teaching.